Alright.
My fucking knuckles, yeah.
Wait, so do you want my
One.
other VODs or no?
Maybe we'll ask from after this way.
New York City.
All right. So what team do I join?
Me and Carson will go team 1, and then Demise Pulse go
Cool.
team 2, and then we can just like kind of just flood in what we want.
I want the. Where's the gypsy at?
Yeah, this is fine.
You can.
There's no
can go-
gypsy. Never mind.
Should try semi Sidex.
So AJU6. AJU6.
Try sniper Sidex.
Colin likes the movement speed of 0.9. I'm just saying, that's what he likes.
He's delusional. Alright.
Bam.
Pulse and you guys move down. Yeah, fucking peasants. Go down there.
General 2?
Wait, so what movement speed are we on right now?
Normal. We're just doing 180s. Make sure you have 180s person.
You have to record or okay.
Wait, you know, person just went in, so maybe you won't do this one. That's fine.
It's that one, yeah.
Okay, mid. One's gate.
Yeah, it's all on.
One dead. Nice. Good job, Sedix. Hey, we need some stackers.
Stacking.
One back.
One dead. One going back right now. Is he dead?
Nope.
One more ramp.
On the backside.
Ref mid.
Oh shit.
I'm reading on long.
Someone
Guys,
say next.
can we just get next?
I'll stay. Oh my god.
I'm just reading long. If they peek you. Just don't peek long at all. Just like full peek
elbow.
mid.
Demise elbow.
Oh my god, one in then.
Tree 1 HP. Tree 1 HP.
Good.
Okay,
AK full HP on.
yeah, man.
Pulse double box. Nice. Backside. Nice.
1 HP. Nice.
Probably long.
I don't think anything's long.
One double box. A sniper double box. Nice.
Nice.
Switch
Okay.
it.
Wow, I just full
Oh,
missed.
Get next. We got next for free.
Yeah, just that. I feel like with the 180s, just zoom around them, break their ankles. Last one.
One more.
Yeah,
Fuck.
sure.
Didn't have any ammo.
I'm gonna flash
Alright,
push,
someone
guys.
needs to fly in.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly in. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 HP rep.
One more.
Dead.
Nice. Flood.
Sniper dead.
Whoa.
Grab 1 HP.
Two mid right now.
Yeah, 2 more.
Oh.
Shit.
Basic thing.
We can probably push in one more time.
2 mid TGM.
I mean, they just have no one on site, so it's fine. Just go next.
Inside.
Well,
Holy lag!
HP C. Nice.
they're all on site.
Dude. Fucking Rev is owning me.
1 Z TGMing.
One long, 1 HP. Nice.
1 HP pulse C.
Backside.
Hello? One long.
Pushing together. 3, 2, 1. One dead. One under. Rev under. Watch out. Rev so under.
He's not. I don't see him.
Oh, you pushed upside.
One going unders. Too long.
Under?
Fuck, man.
1 HP right there. Okay.
Sniper on site.
It's just unfortunate.
Close.
Sniper was not the play.
And you've never seen me having that much speed before either way.
Good job, guys. We're the GOAT team. Paris on
do I-
1.6k, the GOAT.
Do I want to try FAMAS or Semi? I haven't tried
Semi.
FAMAS yet.
Hey, peek down ramp, peek down ramp. Let's go, let's go.
I'm just gonna hold back actually.
Okay.
One. Two.
Oh,
I
Two
yeah.
can't
backyard, two
even see
backyard.
him, bro. I can't see this guy. So zoomed in.
Headshot, two
I'm
low,
fine,
half,
guys.
two
I'm
half,
fine,
two
guys.
half. No
Dead.
way.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
One ramp right now, probably.
Dead.
Nice. I'm peeking back.
I'm coming down to
One back. Dead.
FAMAS dead. One deep mid.
There's one mid, one mid.
Dead.
Back dead.
One more
Semi
back.
on. Dead.
Long.
One
head
up ramp.
glitch.
I can't see him.
Alright. Hey!
One mid.
My
One mid.
bad, I missed
What?
him.
He's 1 HP mid.
Yeah, that was just, I got shot through a wall, man. What was that?
One peeking ramp.
Hey!
There's two, there's
One
three.
dead.
also.
Olo. No way. I'm gonna get new.
Yeah, I'm obtaining that.
Jim, I'm gonna go push one more time.
I got one ult. There's still two.
Dead.
Can you help me?
Dead. Nice.
Can you,
Get new,
can you-
demise.
I got one mid. What? Semi coming long. I
Dead.
got one more.
Peeking.
Nice,
Red
sure.
mid.
Oh, he's here already.
1 HP, nice.
He's
good.
dead.
I'll play tree.
Long?
Dead long.
How? One to box.
One
Nice.
close left
He's
wall,
dead.
nice. I think
One
there's
more
one
double.
scaffold. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just can't do the fucking wall jump.
Watch out behind long, maybe.
Alright.
Yeah, he is behind long.
Broken wall dead. I don't know what that guy was up to.
One in the
Not good
corners there.
things.
One tree, one corner.
Wait,
It's one long,
there's
watch
one
out.
tree long and.
What are they doing?
Yeah,
These
This is fun.
retards. I'm going long. Actually, I'm gonna get new.
One tree.
Just die. I don't want them to come new.
Yeah, Paris is one.
Servers lag there, so I can't kill
I'll
that
play off
guy.
here.
Unlucky.
Gabriel's coming from mid, he could be.
Rev mid.
Oh my god, 2Z. God. I'm flooding this. I win
I'm
this.
one. I'm dead.
I win that.
Lucky.
Oh, they're both full. Never mind.
Dude.
Out peeking mid low.
Again.
There's one ladder.
Or
Close,
mid.
back left.
One in
I don't
mid.
know.
There was one in mid.
How many? Oh, they spawned on now.
No, they're
Yeah.
not.
Hey,
It's one cubby.
Pavriel dead.
Dead.
We gotta go.
One like
Dead.
over on the wall bank side.
And watch out, flood.
Carson, 1 HP. Dead. Semi half and Rev mid.
Rev dead.
Rev dead. One
I'm
short.
going through mid. I'm gonna go
Short.
Short one.
What? I hit him.
Alright, get next.
SMG 90.
Maybe long, I think, spawn. No.
He's up in market. Low. One
Long
of them.
dead.
There's one market
And
peeking.
Alex
straight.
is
He's
under.
the
Oh, dead.
Under. Check under.
Oh, I can't. Oh, yeah.
one in mid.
Tell me when you peek under.
SMG
Yeah.
dead.
Alright, I'm coming in now.
Favriel's 1 HP under.
On slope. One more.
There's one
long.
market on sites. Maybe under too. Oh, you did.
Semi dead.
He's point A
fuck.
back, so okay, ceiling.
Dead backside. One C, one HP.
He's 1
No,
HP.
like-
Favriel.
What? I didn't knife him? What?
One dead.
1 ADS knifing.
My bad.
Yeah.
Just gonna
I need semi.
stop staying on point this game.
My max speed is still 220.
What the fuck? Bro, it's so fucking unclear if someone is like negative 1 HP.
I gotta clip that, bro, because I got comms on and I said, "Help me," and he just starts bursting.
Bro, from my POV, that was even better.
What is different about this game mode?
1 ADS.
1 ADS.
Oh, interesting.
Oh wait, guys. Oh, we
Yeah.
should have just gone to site.
Oh, side X.
Good work, side X.
One dead. One's gate site. Gabriel's just walking
Backyard.
around.
No, my mouse disconnected. It just threw me to backyard. Oh, he's that would be hopping in a
Waddle.
straight line. Okay, 2 back.
There's just 2 gate. They keep spawning gate, bro. Fuck.
Oh, 1 HP, bro.
What?
3 fucking mid.
1
Yeah,
HP mid.
There's pre-fired mid. This is
Yeah, I'm gonna just go back here. Stack 10 seconds. 10
Back this
seconds.
side, side. Wait, 1 back.
yeah.
Just double stack then.
Wait, go next. You and me, Fabio. Oh wait, there. I think.
Yeah, they're on next.
Ooh, already on. Old,
Nice
on
one.
old. 1 HP. Nice.
We got 1. We got 1. 2. 3. 2 more.
Backside, backside, low, backside, low. Nice.
Dead long.
1 double box.
They're mid. They're elbow.
Am I in? Nice. Shit.
Long.
Long, they're long. I think.
Yeah, he's just.
1 HP long.
1 more mid.
You're probably dead, by the way. Yeah.
2 more. Yeah, they spawn long.
1 dead. That's demise dead.
Why's dead?
Half on the
Mr.
red.
Me there? What a
One
fucking
more
racist.
backside. One more backside.
Yeah, backside.
He's gonna flood you as well. Oh, that's lucky.
Dead mid. Switch it.
Dead.
8 seconds. Oh, he's already
10
there.
seconds. I'm gonna disrupt next.
We should just go right now. We should just go right now.
Yeah. No, don't worry.
Post
We're
1
still on
HP
hold.
next.
1 dead.
Don't go.
2 dead.
He spawned mid. Mid.
Yeah. You guys can flood that if you're
Oh
short.
my god,
Yeah, we're sure, we're sure.
Shit on. One
One
scaffold.
dead.
Oh, wait,
Why?
AK1, AK1.
Now we gotta kill the mid guy first.
Wait, where's the?
Dead, dead, dead.
I mean,
2 dead, 2 dead. Go.
1 more, nice.
Nice.
Short.
Short. Dead.
Dead.
Nice. I should spawn on here. I didn't. Kill.
1 mid, AK. Keep spawning
AK
off,
and-
man.
No way.
Bro, Demise is so good. What is going on?
Dead. Go. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, 2 left,
Unlucky.
right.
One HP SMG in corner.
Oh, it's wall jumping. Wow. We can go new.
Semi dead, 1 more in.
Oh, mark it.
1 HP on site.
Long half.
1 HPZ.
Dead. See?
Oh wait, he's still Z.
All back.
One semi
Under.
inside.
Wow. Unlucky.